Hello.
Kaya, isang lang. Taga pa ang bundok ka, sir? Taga pa ang bundok ka? Ha? Iya.
That's mine. No, may huling ako niyang kagabi.
Sit back.
Koreano to. Koreano.
야, 한국 사람이요. 야, Korea.
Your Korea.
야,
Ayos ah. English, Tagalog. English. Oh, you don't understand Tagalog?
konti Tagalog.
Konti lang Tagalog.
Konti Tagalog.
Okay.
You speak Korea? Korean?
No.
Go SM?
Yes. We want to celebrate Father's Day.
Oh yeah, Father's Day.
Oh.
Happy Father's Day.
회전입니다. 800m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
You watching K-drama?
No?
You watching K-drama?
K-drama?
Hmm?
No.
No.
I don't like. My wife.
You watching K-drama?
Yeah. Always. My daughter also. Oh. My daughter.
She also watching?
Watching Korean novela, drama.
Drama, yeah.
Oh,
K-drama.
K-drama. Before go to sleep.
Before sleeping, K-drama.
Watching
Oh,
K-drama every day.
전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
뭐 Tagalog?
Where do you live here in Philippines? Where do you live?
Why?
Where do you live?
Where?
Oh, where?
Here?
Here on Philippines.
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea? No? North.
North Fairview.
North Fairview.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, living in North Fairview.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Commonwealth.
Commonwealth. Wife here. No? Wife?
What? What?
Single.
Korea.
Oh, Korea.
Two. One. One only. One only. Philippines. Philippines. 3 or 4 more. Okay.
Oh. You have?
Oh.
No.
No.
Yeah, give me one.
You like? One? Another one?
No.
No. Okay. That's one.
Yeah, very bad.
Very bad.
좌회전입니다.
So you're familiar here in Philippines,
Yeah.
so you have to drive anywhere.
Always follow the ways.
Follow the
yeah,
ways,
Follow the
so-
ways.
Okay. So you know how
좌회전입니다.
to buy Philippine money. So you know Philippine money now? Or 1,000 bill, 500 bill?
Yeah, I know now.
Okay, very good. So you're here in how many? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years?
2 years.
Oh, so
Yeah,
very
2 years.
good. So you like Philippines?
Yeah.
You want to stay?
I
You want to
like-
stay here forever?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I want to stay here long because
So you have
Filipino.
children here? Why Filipina?
No.
You have no children?
No,
Korea. Oh. So your license Philippine
Philippine
or
license, yeah, Philippine license.
okay. Walang ginagawa to sa ano kaya nag-drive na lang. North Fairview. Commonwealth siya.
Yeah.
No. Philippines here, okay. So traffic,
Yeah, tropic.
Okay, when Korea,
But
Korea,
it's okay, okay,
Korea is none. Korea.
Korea, tropic.
Oh, no, wala,
Korea?
wala.
Sometimes, but here, okay, Filipino, good people, good. Yeah, very good people.
Hindi ko nakakarat ng Magrambo.
No.
Yeah,
Some people,
very
no,
good, very
maybe.
good people. Always teaching
But not
me,
all.
Always
Ah.
teaching me Tagalog. Passenger, always teach me Tagalog.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
very good.
Google,
So you're Tagalog, ah?
how to say? Go. Diretso?
Diretso, dito, kaliwa.
Yeah, kaliwa, here, kaliwa.
Okay.
Kara, here, kara.
So you say the passenger, oh. The left turn.
Yeah, lekto, kaliwa.
Okay,
kaliwa.
oh. So you understand. Diretso.
Yeah,
Diretso tayo. Okay, sige. Yun naman pala eh. Diretso.
Yeah, diretso. Go straight, go straight.
Go straight. Okay.
Yeah, 그런데 what's your name?
Noel.
Noel.
Noel. My wife Isa and my
Isa.
daughter Isabel.
Yeah, 반갑습니다.
Panggapsumida.
Yeah, it is nice to meet you.
Panggapsumida.
반갑습니다.
Hi.
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 Japan.
Hi.
Japan.
Hello in Korea. Hello.
안녕하세요. Yeah,
안녕하세요.
in Korea, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hindi ka nanonood ng Korea.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. In Korea, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Panggapsumida.
Yeah, 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay. Thank you.
감사합니다.
Kamsaada.
Yeah, thank you. 감사합니다. Yeah.
Mamaya pag makakapsa.
Okay.
Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Hoon.
Hoon. Yeah, that's my last name.
Hoon in English. What is the meaning of Hoon?
Hoon?
In Korean on
Yeah, that's my Korean name.
Korean
I have
name.
a Philippine name. I have a Korean name.
Philippine name.
In the up.
우측 차로를
But
진행하세요.
it's hard to pronounce. Actually, I chose that name.
Why?
I said, yeah, I like this name. And, I chose that name.
Ang meaning ng Who? What is
Hoon,
the meaning?
Hoon.
Hoon. What is the meaning of Korea?
That's my last name.
Last name. What's the
My
first name?
first name is Su Tang.
Suchang.
Childbirth?
Su Tang
Sutang. Who?
Hoon.
Hoon. Okay.
Yeah.
So your Philippine name?
It's hard to pronounce. I don't know.
Why?
A
I
childbirth?
just choose that name.
우측 출구로
Chabo.
Childbirth.
Oh, mali yung dinaanan natin.
Umikot siya.
You know, that is a long cut.
Oh,
I mean, long cut. So your waist.
Waste is
Follow.
You follow your waist. Okay. I will teach you how
to Turkey.
Okay. When I
Go.
said right. Okay. Diretso lang.
Kanang.
Okay.
Kanang. Kali.
Okay.
Okay.
I will teach you, ha?
Teach you.
So straight ahead.
Go.
Yeah.
Cho.
Diretso.
Diretso.
In Korea, diretso.
직진하세요.
Chichina sa'yo.
직진하세요.
Chichina sa'yo.
Yeah.
Okay. Chichina sa'yo.
전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
You working. Work.
Yeah. Philippine. I'm a government.
Government.
Government employee.
What kind of work? Police.
No. Quezon City government.
DFA? No.
Local government.
Yeah,
Quezon City Hall.
I afraid the DFA.
Yeah.
Yeah, DFA.
Okay.
Before back to Korea.
Back to Korea.
Very.
우측 출구로
So,
나가세요.
right.
그리고
Kanan.
Kanan.
Kanan tayo. Diretso.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
반갑습니다.
Panggapsumida.
500m 앞에서
Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
우회전입니다.
Hoon. Your
Last
last
name?
name, Mr. Hoon.
My first name is
Ma, ano ba yung first name niya?
Sutang.
Sultang. Okay.
Sultang?
Sultang. Para
Hun.
Sotang Hun, ha? Sotang Hun. So, tapos, kanan. Okay, right side.
To right,
Oh, okay, this way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then right. Okay.
Sa harap mo na lang daan.
Ah,
Doon na lang tayo sa main entrance.
You go.
I
SM.
will speak Tagalog. So, listen ha. Listen.
Yeah.
Magaling ka kasi na ano mo, huwag ka na sumunod sa ways. Para matatandaan mo yung mga lugar, the place. So, you
What?
familiar the place. So, don't look ways.
No ways?
No ways. Don't listen ways.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Just listen your passenger.
How passenger?
Oh,
Yeah.
then
Tell.
when said right, straight
Mm.
or left,
Mm.
just listen.
Oh yeah, listen passenger.
Mm.
Okay. Listen passenger, okay?
Okay,
Listen ways, no?
no?
No.
You can listen, pero
Oh. You also listen, pero hindi lahat. Not also.
Hmm?
no ways.
No ways.
No ways, it's okay. Waste of time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's long way, long cut.
Hello.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Tagalog, tingnan mo, SM na tayo.
Hmm?
SM here. So, diretso.
Dito naman.
Kanan.
Ay, hindi,
Diretso.
SM na tayo.
Yeah, here. Oh.
SM na tayo?
Yeah. Oh.
Yan.
SM na tayo.
Yeah, SM here. Oh,
SM.
yan. Oh. Then, okay.
So, dyan na lang tayo sa harap.
Yan. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Salamat pare.
Tagalog pala.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Salamat.
Joke lang yun, sir.
Thank you.
Wait lang, sir.
Okay. Koreano ka talaga.
Hindi, sir. Filipino po ako. Niloloko lang ko, sir.
Okay, sir. Sige.
Actually, sir, ako ay isang content creator ng vlogger po.
Oh, vlogger ka. Okay. Nahirapan mo pa kami.
So,
Sotanghon. Okay.
Grabe si
Tutuwa
sir
ako sa'yo, oo.
Grabe si sir yung parang turuan niya talaga yung Koreano no. Grabe
Siyempre
talaga
kasi,
ni sir.
ganun ang Pilipino
Yes,
pare.
napapansin ko sa mga Pilipino. Talaga tinuturuan nila So okay lang ba? Isama ko yun sa content? Ay, naka-video tayo eh.
Okay lang yan, sir.
Okay lang, sir. Ang
Kasi
bait naman,
nahirapan
sir.
ako. Oo, pero okay lang yan. Salamat, sir.
Actually po sir, nagko-content lang po ako, namimigay po ako ng free ride sa pasahero. Yes.
Salamat,
Happy Father's Day, sir.
Happy Father's Day, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Hindi mo na sir, okay na. It's a free ride po.
Salamat, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Opo.
Noel Estrada ako.
Yan. Ito,
alam mo na
shout
agad.
out, sir.
Noel Estrada.
Yan. Na-prank natin
Thank
si sir.
you. Thank you, sir. Right. Happy Father's Day
Ang
po.
galing ni sir, grabe pa, napaka-accommodating. Tinuturuan niya talaga ang isang fake na Koreano mag-Tagalog.
Salamat, sir. Salamat. Sa
Akala-
lahat, Happy Father's Day.
Yan,
Thank
Happy
you.
Father's
Okay,
Day.
salamat po.
Nasakay natin si
Ang
sir.
hirap mag-English, sir. Hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Parehas tayo.
Pinagtatawanan na ako ng pamilya ko kasi sabi nila, tingnan mo, dudugoy na yun. Salamat, sir. Maraming
Gusto
salamat.
niyo mapanood yung ano ko, sir?
Ano pangalan niyo daw po?
Ito po. Ito po ako.
Yan. Ako na.
Don Berto TV sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube.
Totoo yung anak ko, panonoorin ko. Maraming
Mapapanood ka na, sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Napakabait ni sir. Grabe. Sir Noel.
Okay, thank
At saka
you.
si ma'am. Ano yung pangalan, ma'am?
Ma'am
Isa.
Ayun. Thank you
Thank you
po.
po, sir.
Salamat.
Happy Father's Day, sir.
Naparang niya ako.
Grabe si sir. Napaka ano niya napaka-accommodating.
Papanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat, seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Ang bati niya sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi, kamsahamnida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.